the game. It's a rich thing.
Right here. It's loud. Got a few revs in between the video. Got Ace. Got the glossy front lip, Oakman design. Claw on the headlight. And on the grill too. Put the vinyl on the chrome delete. And the same thing, Oakman design. It's nice at night. And the vinyl on the chrome delete.
Whoa! Hold up, my wheels are scratched. Hold on, it's not my fault, it's the dealer's.
There you go, who did that? Dealer, right?
Nah, they changed my tires. But
wow.
then they my vinyl, so I have to renew it.
They did that for you. Look at that, guys. That's why we don't go to dealers, man. They mess it up for you and they don't even fix it. He went to get it fixed, but they made it worse.
Yeah, they got it fixed. Then
wow. The open designs right there. Window visors, chrome delete, louvers. And yes, it's not lowered yet. Got V4s. And rear diffuser. Yo, Ace, let me see the V4s, bro.
you can't really see it.
Well, yeah, Hash, I mean, stand here, stand right there, stand right there. Right there is good. There you go. Nice. No animation, bro.
Huh?
I didn't see animation.
Turned off animation, that's the problem. You know how to turn it on? Turn it off and on.
Yeah. Patiently waiting.
It is on. No, turn the whole lights off and on. It is on. Yeah, it's on.
No animation though.
You can't see it, no? You have the animation preset on? No,
it's bright. Yeah.
You got it?
No. I think the car gotta go off and then turn back on.
Yeah, try turning the car
I think the car's gotta be off.
When you turn it off, you gotta wait for a bit for it to go off.
Got the rear spoiler.
Turn off the car. Oh,
there you go.
Yeah.
Yay, see so far. That's nice. And then Oakman designs with the emblem again.
You want to see my animation? You want to see my animation? Go to my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, you did install them, right? So I'll put your link for the installation on my channel. They'll come right to you. Oh, I like that. He got the quad tips. The up work. Yeah, he did get the quad tips.
Oh, we should have painted this one.
Nice like that.
Oh, so I don't burn like this,
yeah,
right?
It's nice to buy it like that.
I
Yeah.
got mine. What the fuck happened here? Someone bumped into it and plate number came
I
out?
don't know. This one's in progress. And does look nice. Looks nice with the front red emblem. That is aggressive. It's a beautiful look. Where is he going? Parking it. Oh, he's taking some photo shoot for himself. Then we what? What's his camera? Chill, bro. Chill. It's just the catalyst downpipe and a resonator and muffler lead. Yeah, you guys were asking about this. How did they install it? It's This one is simple. This one they just put a zip ties, honestly. Can't really see from far away. This one's simple. But I'm about to show you the other one. Kais has it. You guys are asking about that one a lot, so I'll get to it next.
I don't want carbon fiber. That's the thing. I want black. I want gloss black everything.
Yeah. Painted the calipers red. Looks good.
Oh, go chill. My car looks dirty again.
It's dirty, whatever, bro. It's not cold. Who's gonna clean it now?
Yo, your car is squirting, bro.
All that water that you see on. You guys love this one. You guys told me I got competition, so yes, I do. Look at that, front is tinted, beautiful. This one, some people were saying that it's a light, but no, this made like this, the covers, because I think the touring models, some of the models that have the light, LED light here, with turn signal lights. So that's why it's made like that. And that's the wheels. And we recently got the rotors updated. Beautiful. Perfect with that Accord. Oh, he's coming by. Come on, guys. Alright, now we see it. Alright, so he got this yesterday from HRS. It's like 200 and they are beautiful. I'm trying to get some sunlight out the way. I'll show you the other side. This is Chrome Delete.
I want to be like Kais when I grow up.
And then this is a stove he got. He could it's 3M in the back, you guys were asking. So this 3M sticks right there. And you can adjust this if you want using that Allen key. Adjust this up or down, up, whatever, middle. Either way, emblems he got recently new. It's really nice. His headlights are tinted 35% or 50. I think it's 50%. Yeah. And that's the caliper cover from HRS 200. That's how it looks. Where is it? There you go, up there. Sunlight was coming in the way. Alright, moving on. Interior. He's got carbon fiber panels here. 3M behind it, so same with this. This is all on eBay he got. This one, he also got this as well. Same thing here. Same one right there. Looks nice. And even that side too. And the paddle shifters are like blacked out.
That's what I did, bro. What?
Yeah, I think that's what he did inside. Yep. Oh, and he got these mats. They go everywhere. See? The mats. They go everywhere.
What soap do you use? But what soap do you use, like in general?
Oh, competition. This is what you guys love. Look at that diffuser. It's a bit messed up right there because the exhaust got heated up. We need new tips. We're gonna install tips right there. Akasaka ones, and they're coming up. So he's gonna get a new diffuser, and that's gonna make it look a lot better. Yeah, that's how he got it so far. That's the T10 V2 diffuser, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's how it looks. We installed it. And this is carbon fiber rear side spoilers. Got this on eBay as well. You can find it there, good price. The wheels are beautiful. They come out too. It's like it looks like he got spacers, but he don't. It kind of comes out. It's really nice. It's like flush. Look at that. See that? The wheel comes out. No spacers too. Look at the front. Front's so aggressive. front. This is also got in carbon fiber style. Same with the Emblem. The lip. I need to get a lip like that one, but in gloss black. And I'm also working on getting this as well. So I look super aggressive with this. And yeah, let's check it out. Inside, he's got so much stuff, guys. Look at the inside. Oof, so comfortable. He's got that. He's got the red floor mats, and he put the all-weather mats, keep them clean. He got some chips, and he's got this module here. Let me call him. Hold on. Yo. This is a module right here, so if you guys go down, see he's watching Netflix on it and everything. Goes back. Yeah, I don't know how this works. Home. Nope. I don't know, but yeah, he got Netflix on it and everything, so it's pretty chill. Yeah, it's not with USB either. Yeah, it's dope. It's pretty nice. Anyways, I like the paddle shifters. Extended ones, red. They look really good. The carbon fiber style. A steering wheel cover. It's nice. It's got the cover here, cover right there, and this is the camera you got. Records front and back as well. So, and you can adjust that, all that stuff. It's all good stuff right there. That's what I want. See, that's the back. That's the front. But yeah, this is really nice. It's clean. It records all the time. Doesn't get out of the car now. It's too comfortable. And then finally, and then I got me. Car is dirty. Too cold to wash right now. Look at that. Maneuvers. It's dirty. Went through a dirty area, so. It's the front. There's no stickers or anything on it, guys, like you guys mentioned. You want it blacked out, so there you have it. It's dirty right now, for sure. But once it's clean, we're Gucci. Yeah, guys, it's the rear spoiler. Yeah, a lot of people love that rear spoiler in the back. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna be working on getting a few more stuff on the outside, like a diffuser, you know, side skirts. What else am I gonna get? And then the front lip, of course, I gotta change that, the one my friend got. Yeah, guys, that's about it. It's pretty dope. Everyone's having fun. Nice, chill meet. Not boring outside. Oh, boring at home.
That's what they sent on an email.
I haven't been reading
Ktuner,
it.
yeah.
Like, yo.
I'm getting ready just so you think it.
I like in my head, I was like, yo. I'm on vacation right now, so.